Okay.
corn.
It's one of the bags we got from the plaza. Black beans.
Yep, black beans. Oh,
Show it up
grande
here.
cans of tuna
Okay.
in water. Healthier. Peaches! We got peaches.
No, I have peaches.
This is, hey, ground pork.
Let me see. Let me see. Ground pork. Okay, good go.
Protein.
That's gonna help.
Tomato sauce.
Oh, it's all gonna help out.
Black eyed peas.
Okay, sounds good.
I never work with black.
I like the black eyed peas.
Unsweetened applesauce.
Okay.
Ground beef.
Another can of ground beef.
And sliced carrots.
All right. Oh, we got dinner tonight
We
again.
got dinner.
Oh, we'll say tomorrow night because we got the other stuff already done here. Oh, that's gonna help out a lot. One thing I'm glad for is that Samantha got some. Samantha had nothing at the house.
Okay.
Okay, let's see what we got here.
We got some fruit punch.
Have fruit
Cranberry
punch.
apple juice.
Okay, cranberry apple juice.
Cranberry apple juice, fruit punch. Milk, low fat milk.
Okay, and the rest here is water.
Okay.
Okay, put the water aside. Okay, let's see what we got in this one right here.
I got it, baby. Oh, look at this. This is pretty good, actually. Milk, more milk.
Okay.
Ooh, cherry frosted Pop-Tarts. Our straw and utensil set. Oreos. Raven likes that. We got, oh look, your favorite cinnamon toasters.
Hey.
This is the salted peanuts. Raisins.
That's that soy sauce thing for the egg rolls.
What egg rolls?
Looks like duck sauce.
Uh,
Oh no, it's hot sauce.
Applesauce. Apple juice.
Okay, 2 apple juices. What's this?
That's the Oreo.
Oreo, and then we have a
The
can of
mini
Chef
ravioli.
raviolis.
Another mini ravioli.
Another mini ravioli. Okay. Got it. Every little bit helps.
And Raven can do the honors for
Since
the
we've
MRE.
been sharing our food with everybody else, we're getting kind of low.
Yeah, I saw what was inside Samantha's one, and I think you guys are gonna like this one.
Well, we'll see. All right.
Flameless what?
Refried beans.
Flameless meal heater. What is this?
Refried beans in that can.
I got chili con carne. Chili con carne.
Let's see what this is right here.
Tortilla.
This is something beans.
Oh, it has bacon and chorizo. Oh, it's like chili.
Refried
Ah,
beans.
Cheryl beans.
Shadow beans.
Cheddar beans. Are these all cheddar beans?
No, they're shadow beans.
Okay, so this is all beans.
Is it oh, what's this?
Refried beans.
This is cheese spread.
Okay, let's see what we got here. This is also another can of shadow beans. I have never heard of shadow beans. This is new on me.
So this is all cheddar beans.
And they got some kind of, well, look at the whole thing, just beans. Oh man, we're gonna keep nice and warm in bed tonight. Right, babe? Yeah?
With one chili con carne.
Can I see?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't read this right here.
chicharron. And 20 tamales.
Refried beans with chicharron also. Okay, guys. This will more than make up for the food we've been giving out lately. So it helps out quite a bit. Okay, guys, this is didn't mention how we got this. The mayor of Lattice sent a truck. I mean, this is quite a big truck. I'm sorry I did not take a video of it. Did not have my phone with me. There was no sense since we had no phone service. But either way, a large truck packed with these things, and the line was fairly long to pick them up. And that's how we got these. These were more than likely delivered to the town proper of Lattice and then brought out here. Good thing, the one primary road that we have to get into town, which was completely blocked, obviously it opened up. We saw on the news last night on Channel 2 News that there were a lot of civilian workers out there, plus military, National Guard, with their how do you say their what do you call those little bulldozers? Not big, but little bulldozers, and they were cleaning out the road. We understood that the road was supposed to be open yesterday. Obviously, it was opened yesterday or very early today. Enough for now the trucks to come in, and that truck came in. So now we could probably get the store, the one lone grocery store here, could get stocked up, and the gas station, most importantly, could get stocked up with gasoline now. So as long as we have gas, we're gonna be fine. Okay, guys, say hi, bye to the camera.
Bye.
Okay, and especially for saying hi to the family out in Hawaii, say aloha.
Aloha.
We're fine. Okay, thanks all. This is it for this segment. Bye bye.